How to be a Western Union franchise. So you have to understand the Western Union business mode first. Ensure you meet the financial criteria set by the Western Union. Franchisees often need to demonstrate a certain level of financial stability. Visit the Western Union website. Check the official Western Union website for information on franchise opportunities and contact details. Contact Western Union directly to express your interest and inquire about the application process. Provide all necessary important documents and information requested by Western Union. Western Union will review your application. Once approved, carefully review the franchise agreement provided by Western Union. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.